know what they say, two heads are better than one. But when it comes to starting a hardware store, is that really true? Hey, I'm Nick, and today we're diving into how expert advice can make all the difference in starting a hardware store. Let's find out together. There are always secrets and tricks that only experienced individuals in the business know. Their knowledge is like a treasure that can put you a step or two ahead. Let's explore 3 of the most important insights they can offer. Number 1. Understanding customer behavior. Who better to provide insights into customer likes, dislikes, and behaviors than someone who deals with them face-to-face every day? Getting advice from these experts is a wise move that can greatly benefit your business. Number 2. Financial planning and management. Now, experts have seen both the best and worst days. They know about hidden costs that can impact your financial planning and can suggest ways to reduce unnecessary expenses without compromising quality or service. Number 3. Networking opportunities. Thanks to their many years in the field, professionals know a lot of people, suppliers, potential business partners, and problem solvers. Their connections can be incredibly valuable. Starting a hardware store isn't easy, but it's a lot easier with expert advice. Stick with me and let's discover more tips in the next video. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell.